Hi guys, this is Jonathan from BlackboxMyCar, and we're here today to answer some of your questions. The first question we have is, why am I getting shutting down due to low battery warnings from my dash cam? More often than not, the reason for these kinds of warnings is simply that the voltage cutoff that's been set has been met. This is a system that's in place to protect your vehicle battery. You'll predominantly see this issue while the vehicle's turned off for a prolonged period of time. And the next question we have is, can I use the rear camera to record the interior of my vehicle? Well, technically you can, it's really not recommended. The interior of the vehicle is really at nighttime especially going to be very dark. The standard cameras are not designed for interior recording within these conditions, so almost all of the detail at certain times will be lost. And the next question we have is, will this drain my battery? And this one in particular is in reference to the BlackVue cameras. So the BlackVue cameras, as they do not have an internalized voltage cutoff, as some of the ThinkWare cameras do, they actually utilize an external form for this. This is available through either the PowerMagic Pro direct hardwire kit or the PowerMagic Easy, which would connect to your vehicle's OBD port. Through either one of these, they do have battery protection features built into them. And as always, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, do feel free to email us or give us a call, as we're always more than happy to answer any that you might have. Break it down. Check out my sick dance move.
That is wicked.
So. Might have been the most confused look I've seen from David. I'm just like this. And as always,